My name is Glayston Soares. I'm the owner of Mr. Pavers. Mr. Pavers is an interlocking paver contractor specializing in driveways, backyard patios, pool decks, artificial grass, barbecue islands, anything outside your house. You want it, we do it.
Well, my name's John Cordova, lead design consultant with Mr. Pavers. And the reason you want to choose us, we're a family-owned business with 18 years of solid experience in the home improvement industry. We're Interlocking Concrete Paving Institute certified installer, which sets the standards and regulations on how to install a paving system that won't fail. And the day we start a job, we all show up. The owners, myself, the crew and foreman, you're introduced to everyone. We all walk the project together, so everybody's on the same page of what we're providing for you. And then we go right to work taking good care of you. And again, we're going to be here on a daily basis overseeing the workmanship, assuring you a quality installation.
Hi, I'm Sandy Thimler, and I'm a design consultant with Mr. Pavers. We've been in business since 2007 as Mr. Pavers, and we have over 100 years of experience in the business collectively as a team, and I can honestly say each of my team members has a true desire to make their customer happy. I find that most customers, their two main concerns are you going to do the job right, and are you going to finish on time? We are very conscious of those two concerns, and the quality of our work is second to none. We take great pride in what we do as far as the construction, and to keep on time, we do this through good communication through a text thread with the owner, the customer, and the design consultant, so that we can finish the project when we say we're going to, and they really like this.
Give us a call. You're going to be in good hands with us. We'll take good care of you.